Good evening, students. Today we have to discuss the topic graph of cos x and cos inverse x. Okay, right. First of all, we know the cos x and cos inverse x domain. The domain of cos x is zero to pi. This is range. Range or codomain. Range is -1 to +1. This is the domain of cos x and range of cos x. First of all, we draw the graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is 0. Because we want to take this is x-axis and we want to take this is y-axis. Now, what are the values? Here 0, here pi, and in between value is pi by 2. Take here minus pi by 2 and here minus pi. And we want to take y-axis -1 to +1. This is +1 and this is -1. Suppose if you take the x value is 0, here cos 0 is 1. The point is 0, 1 here. And if you take cos pi means what is the value? -1. If you take pi to x, cos pi value is -1. That point must be pi, -1 here. Okay, and we want to give pi by 2. Cos in between value is pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 means 0. So the value must be here. So we want to join here. Okay, and if we go to minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2 means 0 actually. And the -5, if we give -5 to the x value, cos -5 means -1. Cos of -5 means -1. So this is the graph of cos x. And we go to this type. Okay, this is the graph of y equal to cos x, right? And we want to draw the cos inverse x graph. Cos inverse x domain is here. The cos inverse x must be changed range into domain, domain into range. The domain is -1 to +1 and the range is 0 to pi. And we want to draw the graph. Here take x-axis. This point take x-axis because it's the domain. And the range is in y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. We want to take x-axis is +1 and -1. And 0 to pi. Here we want to take 0 pi. This is 0, this is pi. Here also minus pi. In between value is plus pi by 2, minus pi by 2. So if we give the value of -1, cos inverse of -1 means what is the value? Here y equal to cos inverse of -1. Put x into -1. The value is minus pi by 2. Cos 0 means in between 0 is there. So cos 0 means 1. So the graph must be come this way. Take -1 nearest. Okay, right. So this is the cos inverse x graph. Refer this. Example 4.7. Find the domain of cos inverse of 2 plus sin x by 3. Already we know that the domain of cos inverse x is minus 1 to plus 1. This is the domain of cos inverse x. And we want to find this is lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to 2 plus sin x divided by 3 less than or equal to plus 1. So minus 1 to plus 1 lies between. And multiply 3 on all side. So here minus 3 less than or equal to 2 plus sin x less than or equal to 3. Here 3 must be cancelled. So minus 3, 2 plus sin x and 3. We want to take 2 that side. Minus 3 minus 2 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 1. Here also the range of sin x is must be minus 1 to plus 1. Range of sin x is also minus 1 to plus 1. But here minus 5 is there. So we want to neglect the value up to minus 1. Okay. So and let us take minus 1 only. We neglect the value minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So we want to take minus 1 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to plus 1. Okay. Right. And we want to find the x value only. So take sin this side. This side must be right sin inverse. Sin inverse of 1 less than or equal to, here we want to write x only, and less than or equal to here sin inverse of 1. The sin inverse of minus 1 value is minus pi by 2, and less than or equal to x less than or equal to sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. Therefore the domain of given function is minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Now example 4.6. Find cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2, and 2, 3 sums are there. We want to know already cos inverse of x minus 1 to plus 1, 0 to pi. This is domain and range. Okay, right. First of all, let us take y is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2. This is Roman letter 1. And let us take cos inverse y to this side. Cos y is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Cos y is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Now cos y is equal to, take minus outside. The value must be cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, and the minus is there. So minus cos pi by 4. Here cos y is equal to minus cos pi by 4 can be written as cos of pi minus pi by 4. Because you know the value cos of pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. This is cos 180 minus theta, because second quadrant 180 minus theta. This is A, S, T, C. Here sign only positive. Here cos. So will be negative. So this is the formula. Refer this. Cos of pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Right? And we can write cos of pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Okay. Equating these two values, cos y is equal to, simplify this, here 4 pi minus pi cos 3 pi by 4, and equating the value y equal to 3 pi by 4, because both sides are cos, the value y must be 3 pi by 4. The 3 pi by 4 belongs to 0 to pi, because this is 0 to 180 degree and this is 3 into 45 degree, that is 135 degree. Okay, So y equal to 3 pi by 4 lies in the range of the cos inverse x. Okay, this is the value of y. Okay, cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2. And Roman letter 2. Roman letter 2 is what? Cos inverse of minus pi by 3. Let us take y equal to the Roman letter 2. Let us take y is equal to, already we know the value, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is the trigonometric value. Cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. And here y equal to cos inverse of, here cos of minus theta means cos theta. We can write cos pi by 3. Okay, take the cos inverse to this side. Cos y is equal to cos pi by 3. And equating this value, y equal to pi by 3. Both sides are cos. Therefore, y equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3 belong to 0 to pi. Pi by 3 belonging to 0 to pi, the range of cos inverse x. So, the value of y is equal to pi by 3. Right? Okay, and next one, Roman letter 3. Roman letter 3, let us take y is equal to cos inverse of 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. And take cos to this side, cos inverse to this side, cos y is equal to cos of 7 pi by 6. If we want to equating y equal to 7 pi by 6, the 7 pi by 6 not belonging to 7 pi by 6 not belonging to 0 to pi. Because this is 180, 0 to 180 degree and this is 210 degree. Because pi by 6 is 30 degree, 7 into 30 degree, 210 degree is not there. So, we want to simplify this one. And cos y is equal to cos of, we want to separate this. How to separate it? Pi plus pi by 6. Cross multiply this, 6 pi plus pi, the 7 pi by 6 is there. So, we want to separate pi plus pi by 6. And cos y is equal to cos of pi plus pi by 6 means what? This is the third quadrant, pi plus theta. Cos of pi plus theta is equal to, pi plus theta means what? This is pi. And pi plus theta is third quadrant, A, S, T, C. So, pi plus theta means minus cos theta. This is the trigonometric formula. So, pi plus theta equal to minus cos theta. Here, this is pi plus theta means minus cos of pi by 6. Okay? Right. And cos y is equal to minus cos of pi by 6. Minus cos pi by 6. And we want to again, pi by 6 is there, but this is minus. So, we don't equating this. And we want to write cos of pi minus 5 pi by 6. We want to write, because 6 pi minus 5. 6 pi minus pi, pi. Pi by 6 is there. We want to simplify this. Pi minus 5 pi by 6. And here is cos pi minus theta means minus cos theta. Here cos pi minus theta is equal to also minus cos theta, because this is the second quadrant. Pi minus theta is also second quadrant. Second quadrant sign only positive, then cos must be negative. So minus cos pi by 6 we want to simplify. Cos pi minus 5 pi by 6. Okay. Therefore cos y is equal to cos 5 pi by 6. Here we want to write the minus here. This minus is this one. Now cos 5 by 6 means minus cos of pi minus theta. Okay. So now we want to equate this y is equal to 5 pi by 6. This is belong to 0 to pi. Because this is pi by 6 30 degree. 5 pi by 6 means 5 into 30 degree because 150 degree. 150 degree is lies between 0 to pi. Okay. Refer the sum. And the next sum, example 4.5. Find the principal value of cos inverse of root 3 by 2. First of all, we want to know the domain of cos inverse x and range. Domain of cos inverse is 0 to pi, minus 1 to plus 1, and range is 0 to pi. This is domain and this is range. This is the domain of cos inverse x and range of cos inverse x, and we want to know the principal value. Okay, right. Let y is equal to cos inverse of root 3 by 2. Take cos inverse to this side. Cos y is equal to root 3 by 2 here, and cos y is equal to, what is the cos value of which degree, which makes to root 3 by 2 in cos. Okay, right. Cos of pi by 6 because 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. You want to write both our cos. We don't write sine value. Okay, right. So cos y is equal to cos pi by 6. Therefore, y equal to pi by 6. Equating this value, cos y equal to cos pi by 6. Therefore, the angle must be y equal to pi by 6 or 30 degree. Okay. This value must be, we want to check it. This value must be range of cos inverse x. This belongs to 0 to pi because 0 to pi is 0 to 180 degree. 30 degree is in lies between 0 to 180 degree. So pi by 6 belongs to 0 to pi. Therefore, the principal value is pi by 6. Okay. Refer the sum. Exercise 4.2, question number 1. Find the value of x such that first Roman letter 1 minus 6 pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus 6 pi and cos x equal to 0. Let us take first sum. Let y, that means cos x is equal to 0. Now x is equal to cos inverse of 0. X is equal to, the cos inverse 0 is, the general form is there 2n plus 1 pi by 2. This is the general form of cos inverse of 0. 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, right. But we want to find the result lies between minus 6 pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus 6 pi. Okay. So we want to give the value of n. First of all, we want to give n equal to 0. The answer must be pi by 2. Pi by 2 is lies between this value. Or we can write this value must be minus 6 pi by 2 is 12 pi by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus 12 pi by 2. We want to check it easy. Okay. So minus 6 pi can be written as minus 12 pi by 2 and plus 12 pi by 2. Okay, right. First of all, you want to give the value 0, pi by 2. Pi by 2 is lies between this value and plus or minus 1. If we give plus 1, the answer must be 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is lies between this value and minus 1. Minus 1 means minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 means minus pi by 2 is lies between this value. Okay. Comma plus or minus 2. First give 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. 5 pi by 2 is there. and minus 5 minus 2 we want to give minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 by 2 is lies between this value, comma plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 3 is what? 3 into 2 6. 6 plus 1 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 is lies between this value, and we want to give minus 3. Minus 3 is there, minus 6 plus 1. So minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 by 2 is there, comma plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 4 means what? Plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is lies between this value, and minus 4. Minus 8 plus 1 minus 7 by 2 lies between this value, comma plus or minus 5. Plus or minus 5 means plus 5. First let us take plus 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11 by 2. 11 by 2 is lies between this value, and minus 5. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10. Minus 10 plus 1 minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2 lies between this value, and comma suppose plus 6 is there. We want to give plus 6. Plus 6 means 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 2 not belongs to this value, because 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 2 not belongs to minus 12 to 12 pi by 2 plus 12 pi by 2, and minus 6 we want to check it. So minus 6. Minus 6 into 2 minus 12. Minus 12 plus 1 minus 11. Minus 11 by 2. Minus 11 by 2 is lies between this value. So this value must be only minus 6. So this is the last value. So the values are 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 plus or minus 4 plus or minus 5 and minus 6 only, not plus 6. Okay, so this is the required value of x. Okay, right. And second one, we want to find the second one. The second one question is that let cos x is equal to 1 and x is equal to, take cos to this side, cos inverse of 1. Now x is equal to cos inverse of 1 is the general form 2n pi. The general form of cos inverse 1 is 2n pi. Refer the general form, x is equal to 2n pi. Okay, right. Now we want to check the values lies between minus 5 pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus 5 pi. First of all, put n equal to 0. 0 means pi. Sorry, 0. 0 lies between this value, comma plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1, put n equal to plus 1, the answer 2 pi. 2 pi is lies between this value, minus 1, minus 2 pi. Minus 2 pi is also lies between this value, comma plus or minus 2. If suppose n equal to 2, 2 into 2 4, 4 pi. 4 pi is lies between this value, and minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4. So minus 4 pi lies between this value, comma if we suppose give 3 plus 3 is there. So 3 into 2 6. 6 pi not in the value. So plus or minus 2 is the last value. Okay, so the required value is, the values of x are 0 plus or minus 1 comma plus or minus 2 only.